We started Optimum Vehicles over 11 years ago to be the leading supplier of used vehicles in the United Kingdom and offer unparalleled levels of customer service.
With over £2 million worth of prestige and performance cars for sale, Optimum Vehicles is one of the most respected car dealers in the region. We're conveniently located in the centre of the country, just off the A64 at Bilborough Services, 10 minutes from York train station, 20 minutes from Leeds, and very close to Leeds Bradford Airport. Upon arrival, you'll find our fully heated, purpose-built car showroom, stocking over 100 models from the world's top marques.
Our hand-picked vehicles have only the highest specification, with full service history, and our series of comprehensive checks ensures that all the vehicles we supply are prepared to the very highest standards.
Our knowledgeable and friendly customer service team is on hand 7 days a week to assist you in person too. Browse our full selection online at optimumvehicles.co.uk or come in for a look around and a barista-style coffee. We're dedicated to matching you to your ideal finance package. We have a network of providers who offer the UK the most competitive rates for prestige and performance vehicles. And if you're looking to part exchange your vehicle, we'll offer you the best price possible.
Over the last 10 years, we've grown Optimum Vehicles with customer satisfaction at the forefront of our minds, and by moving into this new showroom facility, it sets the scene for the next 10 years and beyond.
Our sister company, Motorbikes, is housed in our showroom, displaying a range of premium quality used motorcycles. We stock a range of marques and over 100 models at any one time. Our workshops offer the very best diagnostic equipment, software and quality parts. Our staff and technicians are trained to the highest standard. From bodywork to repairs including four-wheel alignment, vehicle wrapping, to in-car entertainment and MOT services, we're here to deliver the personal service you deserve.